Your 30-day plan. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. The first 30 days of your online business are critical as they define the way that you will approach things that you can repeat in the months ahead. Here are our ideas for the first 30 days of your new six-figure online business. 1. Decide on your niche. You need to do this on day 1. Choosing the right niche is critical to your success. It is essential that there is demand and that you can make money in your niche. If you are passionate about a particular subject, then research this first. Always remember that you need to go where the money is, so if your passion does not work out, then find something else. 2. Keyword research. On day 2, we recommend that you perform keyword research for your chosen niche. This is a very important step that a lot of new online business owners ignore. You can do this yourself using the free Google Keyword Planner, or you can outsource the task. Identifying the right keywords to target with your website and your promotional efforts is critical. 3. Create your goal and why statement. Decide on your goal for your online business and write this down. Create a corresponding why statement to provide you with the motivation to work on your business each day. Do this early, say day 2. 4. Choose your domain name. On day 3, you need to choose your domain name and register it. It is your choice to go for a name that is related to your niche or a brandable domain name. If your target market is worldwide, then choose a .com, .net, or .org domain extension. 5. Choose a good web host. This is another activity for day 3. Find a web host that will give you the best deal on a shared hosting package. Once you have chosen your web host, you need to point your domain name to it. This is easy, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube about this. 6. Install WordPress. This can be a day 3 or 4 activity depending on the amount of time you have available. You need to have your domain name and web hosting set up first. Use the one-click feature of your web hosting to install the WordPress blogging platform on your domain name. 7. Customize your WordPress site. Again, this can be day 3 or 4. Choose a theme for your new website that you like. Add the necessary plugins to enhance your website. Learn how to add content to your new WordPress site. There are a lot of videos to show you how to do this. Get a logo created from a good freelancer on Fiverr.com and add this to your website. 8. Add your initial pages. We will assume that you do this on day 5. You will need the following pages on your new website. Homepage. This is the very first page that your visitors will see, so make it enticing. About Us page. This is very important as people want to know who you are and what you stand for. Contact Us page. You need a way for your visitors to contact you, and there are plenty of free plugins available to create a good contact page. Terms and conditions page. Again, you can find a free plugin to create this. Privacy page. Use a free plugin to create this. 9. Add posts. This is where you add niche-related content to your website. You can use text, videos, and images here. Write these posts yourself or outsource the writing. Start adding content from day 6 and do this at least once a week. 10. Create your marketing plan. From day 7 onwards, just focus your effort on promoting your online business. Decide on your marketing plan and follow it. Add tracking to all of your promotional efforts to see what is working and what isn't. In the next video, we will discuss scaling your online business.